presented by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman shows confidence. It prepares the nation for the future. It also keeps the common citizen at the center. The world economy still faces uncertainty. In such a time, this budget sends a clear message of stability. It also shows ambition for growth. The focus is on long-term development. It looks beyond immediate gains. I welcome the strong push for roads, railways, ports, and urban transport. These projects create jobs. Yes, they create jobs in substantial numbers. They improve movement of people and goods. They strengthen supply chains. They help young people and entrepreneurs. The budget addresses Nari Shakti and is pro-woman and pro-youth. This budget also highlights digital services, startups, skill training and research. These steps will support innovation. They will prepare India for global leadership. The common man is pleased to see attention to health, education, housing and farmers. We see incidents given to rural families development. These touch the daily life of people. A nation grows strong when progress reaches every citizen. For West Bengal, the budget is a veritable treasure house and a valuable gift store. Higher support for transport and urban works will speed up metro rail projects in Bengal. Nirmala Ji's budget will aid highway growth in Mamata Ji's Bengal. It will strengthen ports and coastal development. Rail links will improve on the lines of the encouragement to railways in Bengal, lavishly given by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the recent past. Bengal's role as a gateway to eastern and northeastern India will grow substantially through the bountiful budget. Rural development schemes announced in the budget will help village households in Bengal. Social security support will give relief to vulnerable families. Farm sector measures can empower cultivators of Bengal. Fishermen and the small entrepreneurs will find this budget a great boon for them. Support for industry, MSMEs, textiles, logistics and skill development is important for the youth of Bengal. These steps can open new jobs for Bengali youth. They can strengthen manufacturing and services in the state. Green sectors will also expand in Bengal in a substantial manner. More funding for health and education will improve hospitals and medical colleges in Bengal. It will help reach centers and schools. Human development remains a priority in this budget. This budget speaks of partnership. It calls for cooperation, constructive cooperation between the center and the state. It invites business and workers to move together. It links policy with people. This budget augurs well for the state of Bengal in many ways. West Bengal can now stand ready to work with all stakeholders. Bengal should turn these plans into action. We should aim for faster growth in Bengal. We should build better roads, better facilities for the poor, better cities, and should strengthen villages in Bengal. We should secure livelihood for Bengali families. Let us ensure that the promise of central budget becomes real benefit for everybody in Bengal. Every Bengal citizen should find something in this which is beneficial to him. Vande Mataram.